Hi guys, Woodsman500 here, back with another video, trying to get these reviews out without messing up. It's a lot of work, but I really love them. They're kind of like my first love when it comes to YouTube videos. I really enjoy reviews. I enjoy putting them out. Yes, they are a lot of work, but it's definitely worth getting the comments and all the likes and everything. It's really rewarding for me, and I really enjoy it. Today we're going to review something. I've never reviewed the actual brand before, but I have reviewed other ones like this, cheaper ones. And here it is. Yep, little Victorinox here today. This is the driver. As you can see, there's a symbol. Very nice. I gave this to Outdoors Guy 500 for his birthday, or his Christmas present, sorry. Very nice. I like it a lot. I'm kind of jealous, actually, because I kind of want one now. I've been looking at these for a while, but I've never really bought an actual Swiss tool, and this is definitely one to consider. I'm not going to talk a whole lot on specs. I'm going to put the link for Victorinox down in the bottom there. Go check it out. Like I said, their nomenclatures, I've said this for a while now, their nomenclatures for all their different knives are really hard to remember. So you have, like, I'll use the Cadet and the Farmer for example. Because the Cadet and the Farmer are very similar, except the Farmer has a saw, and that's the only difference. All the same tools and everything, but the Farmer has a saw. So they have a lot of different names for a lot of their different knives, and this is no different. So it's really hard review for me to do because there's so many different names for all kinds of different ones. They got their Swiss tool lineup with their multi-tools, and I mean, it's just so confusing for me. So, but this is a driver. I'll put the link down in the bottom if you want to go see exact specs. Go check it out. For me, reviewing these multi-tools, the reason I haven't done these Swiss tools in a long time, these reviews, is because it's kind of like reviewing tennis shoes to me, or like rubber boots. I mean, it's everybody knows about them, they know what's in them, they've seen them 100 times before, and it's kind of ridiculous really to review it, but I thought you guys would really enjoy it. And yes, I do have some UK viewers. I really appreciate all their comments and stuff over there, and this is definitely an option for you guys. I'm always looking out for you. Love your comments, and to see all your woods crafting tools and all the sort of different things that you do over there. I really enjoy that as well, so definitely one for my UK viewers. Getting into the tools finally. The main blade here. Here we go. You can see the main blade. It's like a drop point design, just a good food preparation blade, full flat ground, like most Victorinox. Is very nice. Very sharp at a box, razor sharp, and non-locking. So that's something to keep in mind. Definitely good for the knife laws. And you can see the satin finish, and it's very nice. I really like that satin finish. It looks good. It goes with the color, the red, the classic red, and very nice. So that's your main blade. Right across from it here, you've got a little, I don't know what you call that. It's kind of like a little knife. Like it's smaller than your main blade, but it's the same design. All nail nicks. So there's that, and then right across from there, you've got a driver, or not a driver. Well, yeah, actually it is a driver on the end there. Flathead, you could use it in that roll, and also a can opener there. Very nice. I really like the can openers. And it's a positive detent, so what that means is when you open it up, you can hear it lock, kind of lock, but it's not going to fold on your fingers really easily. It's got good positive, it takes quite a bit to push them down, so I like that. So here you have another little bottle opener and a little sharp edge right there, I'm not sure what that's for, and then a small flathead screwdriver there as well at the very tip that you can use. So that's good. And then, of course, back at the back here, I'm sure you've seen this lots. Here's the toothpick, the classic toothpick, and then you have the classic tweezers. Very nice. That's a handy little thing to have, pulling out splinters and whatnot in the woods. Definitely a secondary blade, I'll say, if you live in Canada or the US, and we don't have as stricter knife laws. Definitely a secondary carry, so if you have your main blade, definitely one to throw in your pocket as well. So if you didn't want to abuse your main blade, let's say you're carrying something high-end, maybe a Mannix or Spyderco knife, something like that you didn't want to abuse a whole lot, this is definitely something to throw in your pocket. For the price, you can't go wrong. Steel, it's all that Swiss steel that they use, very good, very easy to sharpen, and it holds an edge pretty decent, and it will rust on you a little bit. in my experience. So just watch for that. But the rust holding is a lot better than the Leathermans, I'll say, because I've had Leathermans rust out on me. I took the here's the Leatherman Blast. I took this out camping with me one time. You've seen it. That was a rainy day hike, I think. Here's the file. Yeah, it rusted on me pretty bad. It's that bead blasted 420 HC stainless. So this rust resistance on these Victorinoxes are going to be a lot better than the Leathermans, I'll say. And then at the back here also you have a key ring, so if you wanted to put that on your keychain, definitely an option. Also, if you wanted to feed a lanyard in through there, it's a big, huge, it's really big. I really like it, and you can definitely fit some quarters down and through there, or any type of lanyard material you had, and on your keychains as well. It's light enough to put on your keychains too. If you didn't like the full-size multi-tools like the Gerber Suspension S, and I've reviewed a whole bunch, the Squirt, and a bunch like that, then this is an option. Like I said, not locking, so that's good for you guys in the UK. Comfort, very comfortable in hands. I mean, it feels the hand really nice for the size of the blade and whatnot. It's in there when you got it in, and it's that plastic-like material on the outside, which is very good, very lightweight. No sheath included, which is a good thing for the size of the multi-tool. You don't really need a sheath for this. Just throw it in your pocket or on your keychain. Category, secondary EDC, so if you had your main blade, you wouldn't have to use, that you didn't want to use, you could definitely go for this. Definitely a good option in that sense. And for you guys in the UK, maybe a main blade. If you weren't allowed to have locking knives, definitely one to consider. Price is around $20, I think, roughly. $20 to $30, depending on where you get it. It might be a little expensive, a little cheaper in the UK, and of course it's going to be cheaper in the USA. Extra features, I pretty much talked about all the features on this. Putting out a review in 7 minutes for me, that's hard to believe, but thinness is also very good too. That's important when I look at these little multi-tools like that. Thinness is pretty important to me. And it's really good, really easy to carry, very lightweight. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. This is the Victorinox Driver. Just a classic multi-tool, and definitely one to consider when you're looking at EDC. Thanks for watching.